aircraft for heads of state, Fortune 500 companies, and Japanese businessmen. Jasper, you want to see photographs of some of the airplanes? Yeah. 22 years of working on stupid airplanes. Yeah, it was a wonderful life. The world has their private jets.
Really?
Oh yeah. You name it, they have their jets. Oh yeah, they have all their own luxury toys. Malaysia, Brunei, they're so corrupt. In fact, they have their
Where's the favorite place in the world?
Oh jeez.
Switzerland?
Yeah, Switzerland's a nice place.
Why?
It's so clean. The people are so nice. It's just something about the country that puts you at ease. You feel so at ease, you know, it has peace there. Yeah. And of course there's Singapore.
That's nice. Oh, Hideo, you're so talented. HK.
I got my,
Your
I want to
initial.
make sure.
That someone knows that that's you.
That was in 1969. After the landing, there was an article in the newspapers about the landing. And they had some illustrations in the newspaper. So I thought it'd be nice to do a color version of a black and white print. Right? So I did made a tracing tissue of the drawing and transferred onto a illustration board and used gouache or tempera paint. Just added color to the black and white print. And using a beam compass, made concentric circles to make an emblem, with the idea of creating t-shirts. But it was too expensive, so I just dropped the whole program and just kept the drawing. And so it's been sitting here for 50 years, collecting dust. But eventually hoping to get it into the hands of Neil Armstrong. But that may never happen.